I've been around the world in the pouring rain, feeling out of place, really feeling strange. Take me to a place where they know my name, cause I ain't met nobody that looks the same. I'm a fish out of water, lying out of the jungle. You a fish out.
Recycling. The one truth. Recycling is a very complicated procedure.
To better understand this, we gotta know the difference between trash, compost, and recycling. Let's start off with compost. Compost is your average day fruit grind. It consists of maybe an apple, a pear, an orange, maybe even a potato. The only question is, where do we put the compost? Good question. Do we put it in a recycling bin? No. Do we put it at the dump? No. We put in something called a compost bin.
Compost bins come in different shapes and sizes. It does not matter which one you get. They all serve the same purpose. But if you do have a compost bin, you're doing your job to save the earth. Good job. Compost will benefit American High School by having green, organic fertilizer from compost, which will also lower the cost of actually having to buy compost and fertilizer. So this would help us in many different ways, but it would also keep us green and keep compost food out of our trash.
When first looking at American, recycling is a rare sight to see. At first we thought that it was the lack of recycling bins, but we found out that there are over 180 bins at American and has an average of 3 bins in every room. Could it be that people do not understand the process of recycling? Well, here is the process. The can is bought, put in a recycling bin, transported to a recycling plant, and broken down, then heated to melt, and then remade into a can and sold to you. This process also works for other plastic and paper products. This is a quick segment of how to recycle.
I'll be giving it my bestest and nothing's gonna stop.
No!
It's again my turn to win the song.
What you saw there was Wise trying to throw away a piece of paper. That is bad. You should always recycle paper. Paper can be reused, broken down, and turned into new paper. So it's always continuous flow. Doing this, you will save so many trees by recycling all your paper. Here is how you should recycle the awesome way.
That's how you recycle.
Open up your plans and damn you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, baby, sing with me. A la peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, loved.
There are a few items in the trash category. They mostly consist of animal bone like chicken and waste, like diapers and like old food like meat, and other foods. Be sure you know which trash can to put it in. Waste management labels so you can see what trash is dumped in the dump and left to rot, and recyclables don't rot. Here's a quick segment on how to throw away trash. This is how I'm going to teach you how to take out the trash. You got your trash, all your bones, meat, and all that other stuff. You teach you how to throw it away. Just about. Not put it in the gray bin. He said recyclables only. Recyclables only. This one trash. Put it in this one. And you're done.
Our group idea to make American High School a better school when it comes to recycling is that we add an extra 10 hours to our 40 student service hours. But the thing is that these 10 service hours are devoted directly towards recycling, whether it be clean up the school in trash, or you can separate recyclable stuff from trash. These hours must be done by your senior year. They will monitor just the same as your student service hours. You will write them down and then turn them in by your senior year or sooner.
And sorting out the recyclables will be done weekly. This can all benefit you in multiple different ways. It'll keep American High School clean with the trash cleanup. It'll also keep you peace of mind, knowing that American High School is doing their part to keep American clean.